Hey, it's Bradley. Welcome to my channel, The Portly Gentleman. In today's video, we're going to try out the brand new BrewTools CIP equipment. We're also going to show you how to clean your heating elements if you burn them. My last brew day, someone burned my elements. I have no idea. Don't know who it was, who it could have been. In all seriousness, guys, in my last video, I did burn my elements slightly. I made just a rookie mistake trying to kind of save a little time, and it cost me time. So if you want to learn how to clean your elements super easy and super quick, and also see one of the methods for the new BrewTools CIP setup, stick around. This is also going to work on any sort of brewing system that has exposed elements, or maybe even elements that aren't exposed. First things first, I have to thank everyone for watching and subscribing and liking. Guys, this wouldn't happen without you. Thank you so much. Full disclosure, BrewTools did send me these fabulous components for review and testing purposes, so that's what we're going to do. So first off, there's multiple segments and multiple ways to configure this. You can wash kegs, you can use the internal pump and the internal elements, you can use an external pump and an external heat source. As far as quality, it's pipes, guys. These pipes are absurdly heavy, they're nice and shiny, extremely high quality, but it's just pipes. The CIP ball spins, they all spin. All right, so today I'm going to show you one method. We're going to use an external heat source and an external pump. The reason for this is I'll be able to use a lot less water. My external pump is also slightly more powerful. I believe the BrewTools pumps are about 6 gallons per minute. Don't quote me, I could be wrong. I know my riptide is around 7.1, I think. So one step I did off camera was I made a paste of water and PBW, and I kind of scrubbed down the elements with a microfiber. Wasn't aggressive, I didn't spend much time on it, it went pretty quick. Next, I filled up the vessel. I used 1.5 gallons of water, or 5.5 liters, I believe, is the conversion. So to that, I added about 3 ounces per gallon of PBW, so I made the necessary calculations. And I let that heat up to 140 degrees. At 140 degrees, I let it go for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I opened it up and gave it a look, and this is what I saw. So it was starting to look better. Some of the stuff was still on there pretty good, so I dumped out all the cleaner. I did not rinse it. This part, 5-star, told me they were very serious about this. Do not rinse. So I filled it back up with another 1.5 gallons of water, or 5.5 liters. But this time I added my favorite acid, 5-star acid number 5. It's cool. It has a weird acid smell. So anyways, in the 5-star acid number 5, I ran at a rate of about 3 ounces per gallon. Again, I did the necessary calculations, heated it up to 140 degrees, let it go for 20 minutes. After a further 20 minutes, I looked inside and I was amazed. Everything was really shiny, like it was shiny as can be in there. And most of the crud was gone. All the burnt off stuff was flaked up. I'd noticed it in my sight glass and stuff before. Whatever was still left, honestly, I put on a glove and just rubbed my fingers over it with the glove, and it just came right off the elements. Everything was super clean. So at this point, you don't want to let the acid number 5 sit too long. I believe my equipment was also passivated at this point. Pretty much everything inside is covered by the beautiful CIP action of the spray ball. It's just, man, it's something. Look at it, it's great. So you immediately want to rinse it out. So I rinsed it, and then I sanitized all the equipment, and that was it, I was done. There's probably other ways to do it. This way involved like no scrubbing, no fuss, no mess, no nothing. My final thoughts on the CIP equipment are, guys, it works great this way. I'm eager to try other ways. You can also clean kegs. That I'm not too hot about, but maybe I'll come around, you never know. So once again, guys, I wanted to honestly and sincerely thank everyone for watching. I really appreciate it. Like I said before, I couldn't do it without you guys. It means a lot to me, more than I thought it would, honestly. Anyways, thank you, thank you, thank you. A million thank yous. All right, this has been Bradley Remember, home brewing is good, and I'll see you very, very soon. Thanks again.